You're watching my natural hair journey here on Simply Shev, where I'm showing you that you can grow long hair even if you've never had long hair before. It is week 9 on the mini braids hair growth challenge, where I'm using mini braids to grow my natural hair long, healthy and strong. This very easy, simple method will have you gaining inches and inches of growth on your natural hair. Let's get into today's video. So I'm showing you my hair here. It's lots and lots of growth. As you can see, 9 weeks into this challenge, my hair is really showing all the growth that I've received by doing really simple hair care using mini braids on my natural hair to grow it long. If you are trying to figure out how to grow your natural hair, how I grew up my natural hair, in this video I'll talk you through 9 weeks of using this simple method to grow your natural hair. Welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel, checking out my content. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. As you know, it's 9 weeks since these braids are installed. I am not going to be redoing these braids. It's 9 weeks now. I'm feeling comfortable. They're looking quite good, and I think I can go another 3 weeks without redoing them. So for this challenge, I will not be redoing my braids. You've seen that I've redone the edges. The front of my hair has been redone, like the first row, and the first row of the back has been redone. I'm also not going to be doing any more redoing of those parts of my hair because it's looking good. That could be down to my weekly washing routine as opposed to my last longer term set. So my hair is looking really good, feeling moisturized and good to go. So I will not be redoing this set of braids. So 9 weeks in of wearing mini braids on my natural hair. If you are new around here, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got plenty of playlists on my channel teaching you how to use mini braids and mini twists to grow your natural hair. But if you have been around from week 1, you would have seen week by week progress on how these mini braids were started, how they were installed. I've got an installation video and talking you through the plan of how we're going to use this to grow our natural hair out. So you can check out from week 1 to week 8 in my previous video, and I've created a playlist for this challenge. So go ahead and check that out. So I'm going to be giving you a very sneak peek of my measurements. I am going to be doing full measurements in week 12, but I'll give you a sneak peek right here. So I've also got a full length check video, so you can see about 3 or 4 months ago how much my hair was measuring, and I'll be doing an updated one of the full measurement for you. But today I'm just giving you a sneak peek, and there it is. So as you know, the main way we're going to get through these mini braids, getting the growth, is to be consistent. You've seen week by week, I've been washing my hair, I've been applying my virgin hair fertilizer. Now, I've not been so consistent with my virgin hair fertilizer, I must admit, from about week 7. But what I am consistent with is my wash day. And in this wash day, I've chosen to do a pre-poo. I've covered pre-poo in my previous videos, but it's a great way to really bring the moisture back into your natural hair. If you're looking for a really cheap way of getting your hair more moisturized, nothing beats a hot oil treatment, and this is just plain pure olive oil warmed up in the microwave for a couple of seconds and applying to my hair. So 9 weeks in, my mini braids are looking fantastic. They're looking beautiful. They're thickened and now they're really beautiful. And I hope you are really experiencing growth. I hope you're seeing thickness coming into your hair with the mini braids, because it's really transforming my hair right in front of your eyes. There's many ways of doing a pre-poo on your natural hair. You can also infuse your pre-poo with Ayurveda. You can put fenugreek. You can put flaxseed. You can definitely add henna to your hot oil treatments to make it an infused oil, but I like to just use plain olive oil here because I'm going to be adding other products to my hair in the wash day. And what you can see me doing is applying it along the length of the mini braids. Now I'm applying quite a lot of products to my mini braids, so I'm so happy that I'm chosen this set to do weekly wash days. Otherwise I'd have a lot of buildup, and taking these out I might experience lots of breakage. Look at my hair. It's getting on so well. My hair's looking really dark, really beautiful, and it's growing nicely. I'm so excited to see how much growth I'm going to get by week 12. I know it's going to be really good. If you are a slow hair grower like myself, you will know what this really means. Our hair takes ages to grow, and so to see the growth really coming in with this mini braids and the transformation of my hair, as you know, it was damaged in crochet braids, so the transformation that I'm seeing is fantastic. So for my wash days, I don't usually wash out product by product, and this is a personal choice. So you can go ahead and wash that pre-poo out of your hair once it is in. I normally leave my pre-poo on for 10 minutes before I apply any other product. And what you see me using here is my Protein Pure Lean conditioner. This is infused with a lot of protein, and as you know, my hair is high porosity, so it loves anything protein. So the pre-poo's on, and now I'm going on top of that to apply my Pure Lean protein. That is because I felt like my hair needed an additional protein mix. I will be doing a henna treatment, which is my main source of protein for my natural hair, but for this week I wanted a quick instant protein, and I reached for my Pure Lean. Once again, remember to subscribe if you've not done so, and also hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you're getting on in this channel. All of these really mean a lot to me, so thank you so much. Next up, I reach for my trusted Hello Hydration. So a key component of my wash day is my scalp and the length of my hair, and today it's really focusing on the length of my hair. I've put protein in there, infused that to really strengthen my hair this point in the challenge. And also now I'm adding on my very moisturizing Hello Hydration. As you all know, if you've been on this channel a while, that is my main condition. And Hello Hydration, if you are listening, if you're watching this video, I'm open to being sponsored. It's a product that I trust. It really works for my hair type. So with the olive oil pre-poo on and my protein conditioner on, I go ahead and I follow on with my moisturizing conditioner. And I just moisturize, I rub that all in, massage that all into my scalp, making sure that all my hair is covered. And then I leave that on for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, you see me applying my shampoo to my scalp. Remember, I just use shampoo for my scalp. It will eventually run down the length of my hair when I'm rinsing it out, but I always use my applicator bottle to apply my Pure Lean egg shampoo to my scalp. That's my main shampoo. Once again, Pure Lean, I'm open to being sponsored. And so I make sure that gets along all of my scalp to get rid of all the dirt, dandruff, and dermatitis that's on there. And I give that a scrub with the balls of my fingers, being very gentle to get that shampoo all the way into my hair. Once again, do remember to say hi if you're new to my channel. I really want to hear from you. Also, go ahead and check out my playlist section. Plenty of videos, over 300 videos on how to take care of your natural hair. If you don't know, this is my passion. I've been researching natural hair care since 2007, and I've built quite a wealth of knowledge on how to take care of natural hair. I've started many natural hair journeys before, but I'm really excited for this natural hair journey where my hair is really taking off using something very simple. It's not complicated to grow out your natural hair, and I'm here showing you that you can do it too. So after about 15 to 20 minutes, I rinse my hair out and I use a towel or a t-shirt to dry the excess water out of my hair. With mini braids, my hair is already done, and so that's mainly it for the whole week. And I just go ahead and follow on with my scalp treatment, which is virgin hair fertilizer. I leave my leave-in conditioner, which is Eskel, and I also seal that in with castor oil or grease, and my hair is looking well. You can see the new growth. You can see along the length of my hair that is looking really healthy, and I'm so excited for all the growth that we're all going to receive. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video covering 9 weeks, week 9 of wearing these mini braids on my natural hair. Really so excited to look forward to the next 3 weeks when we're going to be taking them down. But plenty more videos coming up on using mini braids to grow your natural hair. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.